Pinabili ko ng pinabili kong yelo.
Pass number 0. 0 speed cycle. 2 points. Sabu. 65-61 in favor of Blue Knights. Angeles. 2 points. Joe Angeles.
Ilagay mo na, boss.
Another foul, number 21, Munaw.
13 fouls.
First personal foul, second team foul. No good, rebound by number 69. Steal by Maulian. Foul. Foul by jersey number 28, Winston Manuel.
Ilan na foul ni Winston?
Second personal foul, second team foul. To pass to Maulian. Taking 3. No good, rebound by Munaw. Munaw. Steal by Sagun. Sagun to Manuel. 5 minutes and 57.
Sa kabila. Wag dyan sa gitna.
Sagun. 67-64. 3-point lead. No good, rebound by. Out of bounds. Ball goes to Fantastic passes. Oops. 5 minutes and 29. Taking 3. Nugget, rebound by number 21, Lamsen. Lamsen. Wow. Foul by jersey number 23. 16. Cruz. Third personal foul. 13 foul of South Blue Knights. First shot is no good. Second shot is good. 1 out of 2. 67, 65. 5 minutes and 15 seconds. 17-second shot now. Foul. Foul for jersey number 20. 13 foul. Second personal foul by number 20. 2 points. Nicole Maulian. 69-65. Assist by number 16. Pass to Manuel. Manuel pass to number 69. Ang paboritong namin. Kevin. Rebound by number 23. Ayo pass to Ayo. 2 points. Ayo. Blue. 71-65. Lamsen to pass. 2 points. Lamsen to Maulian. Foul. Lucky foul. Foul by number 0, Sagun. First personal foul. Warning or penalty. Team Katas Bastes Hoops.
Tuloy mo. Running time. Hindi. Pag penalty lang, tsaka tayo mag-free throw, tsaka tayo tigil, tsaka pumunta yung ball sa kabila.
Unsportsmanlike foul by jersey number 27. Timeout. Timeout left. Timeout. Katas Bastes. Rep, anong hatol po? Unsportsmanlike foul. Jersey number 27. Going for the person, not for the ball. Ang hatol. Sit. Upo muna 3 minutes. 3 minutes, 1 minute, 18. Balik po. Unsportsmanlike foul number 27, Jerry Reyes. Maraming salamat sa iyo, sir. Joke lang. Mamayari na naman tayo. Maraming salamat, Red. Napaka-tawag. And upon review din. Back to the ball game. Back to the ball game. Dalawang 2 free throws plus ball possession po para sa team Catasque Basket Soups. Mr. Jerry Reyes, sit for 3 minutes. Pwede pong bumalik na 1 minute and 18 seconds of the third quarter. First shot is no good. Second shot is no good pa rin. 0 substitution rep. Substitution. Number 19, Sulit in. Pasok po. Sagu. Pass to Sulit. 83. Nugget. Lima by Ayo. 4 minutes and 9 seconds. Tumawi. Pass to Amanes. 83. Nugget. Lima by number 1. Pass to number 19. Pass to number 0. Side stepping to number 4. Short cover. Elbow. Ayo making three. Ayo Cruz. 74-67. 3 minutes and 36 seconds. Sabu. Pass to Segador. Pass to Lamsen. Lagi, lima by Bauyin. Wow, penalty. Foul by jersey number 0. Second personal foul penalty. Shooting 2, Nico Bauyin. Jerome. Standby for substitution. Foul pa ba? Standby. Labas po, labas. Standby. Warning for delay the game. Number 7. Salvate. Pag na-shoot po, pwede po pumasok. Sa application red, pasok na po. Blue lights, warning for delay the game. Sagu, 3 minutes and 18 seconds. Pass to Sulit. Para pass to number 4. Number 4. Nugget, 305, number 19. Ano rep?
For number 7, Luke. With the progress of the game, continues complaining.
Technical foul number 7, Salvante. Continues complaining. One technical free throw po tayo for Catasque Basket Soups. First technical free throw is no good. Ball stays with Catasque Basket.
Tratado.
19 seconds with 3 minutes exactly. Sagu taking 3, no good, 5. Cruz, pass to Bauyin. 76-67, 9-point lead. Angeles taking 3, no good, 5. Standby for substitution. Family violation. Substitution, pasok po. Labas out, pasok in. And big shout out sa ating Swiss Unity homeowners, Isuwa Mabawas League. Game 2, Lemon Lifestyle X Clip Crew versus Hayan. 3 Ayo Cruz. 2 minutes and 23 seconds. Urbano, pass to Sagu. 6:15 seconds to shoot. Segador, short cover to 4. Number 1, Segador. Out of bounds. Ball goes to Catasque Basket Soups. Substitution rep. Del Valle in. Angeles out. 79-69, 10-point lead by Blue Knights. Pass to Sagu. 19 Sagud. Pass to Sigador. 14 seconds to shoot. Nugget, 3 more by Sigador. 2 points, Sigador. 1 minute and 25 seconds of the third quarter. Pass to Cruz. The third timeout. 83 Nugget. Timeout. Serve. Wala pala, ref pala. Serve lang.
Isa lang. Bago na yun. Third na eh.
Wala. Isa possession. Isa lang tayo nun. May isa pa. 3. Nugget. 3 mo 5. Salvante. Pass to Delpal. Pass to Marion. 2 points. Marion. Timeout. Basket Score 81-71 in favor of the Blue Knights. Game 2. Lemon Lifestyle X Clip Crew versus Hayay. Shoutout po, Julian Yanko, ang pinakapogi sa SMFC. Wow! Back to the ball game.
Pwede yung pet mo.
Aray mo! Butas yan! Wow! Wow, jersey number 7, Salvante. Penalty! Both teams penalty. First personal foul.
Dalawa na yun kasi Dalawa na yung call niya.
Second personal foul by Salvante. First shot is no good. Second shot is no good again. Rebound by Sigador. Pass to Lamsen. 2 points. Lamsen. To three. Jersey. 59 seconds left. 15 seconds to shoot. 13 seconds to shoot. Jersey. Out of bounds. Ay, good pala. Good ball. Seal. To Lamsen. 2 points. Lamsen. 43 seconds left. Wow. Foul by jersey number 0. Sabut. Penalty. Third personal foul by number 0. Sabut. Penalty. Shooting 2. B-Boy Salvante. First shot is still good. Shoutout sa iyo, Boski. Ang pinaka-cute ng fight ay lahat na pala, Mario. Nugget, Pico by Santiago. Is still by Mario. Out of bounds, ball goes to Blue Knights. To Mario. To Salvante, Foul by jersey number 31, Lamsen. Penalty. First personal foul by Lamsen. Shooting 2 again. B-Boy Salvante. First shot is no good again. Second shot, makukuha kaya. It's no good again. Rebound by Sigador. 28 seconds left. Santiago, Lamsen, Nugget, rebound by 21 seconds, shot knock off. Mario Nugget, 15 seconds, he's still by Jersey, 2 more, spot, Jersey. 10 seconds remaining on the clock. 7 seconds. Foul by jersey number 7. Third personal foul, penalty. Third personal foul, penalty. Shooting 2, Sagud, number 00. Ang free throw na ito ay natin sa inyo na Sumo Papawis League. Challenge is always with us. Second free throw is good. 2 out of 2. 6 seconds. 3 seconds. 1. And the third quarter with a score of 83-77 in favor of South Blue Knights.
Nangyari. Wala yung live. Wala yung live. Nag-log out yung ano mo. Facebook mo. Sakto yun. Pagkatapos.
Yung mga ano natin, ulitin natin. Technical foul kanina. Salvante for continuous complaining. Unsportsmanlike foul Jeremy Reyes for not going for the ball, going for the person. Back to the ball game. Sabay naman.
Ay, setting mo na ano. Tayo ko na lang. Tayo na lang muna mamaya. Video na lang muna. Video na lang. Tatlo. Video na lang. Video na muna. Mamaya na lang ulit yun. Ay, pero ano, pagka nag-loading. Ano na lang.
Back to the ball game. Soriano, pass to Damasco. Damasco. Pass to Salvante. To Soriano. 13 seconds shoot. 83. Lagi, lima pa Angeles. Angeles. Lagi, lima pa. Out of bounds. Ball goes to Natasha Basketball.
Pasabit na si Boss Girl. Ayaw.
To Manuel. Pass to 69. To Lagi, lima pa. Ayun. Pass to Damasco. Lagi, lima pa Soriano. To Boy, Santos, Soriano. To Manuel. No, block by Salvante. Out of bounds. Ball goes to Blue Knights. Next game natin, Hayahai versus Ebolista. And triple. Joe Asana Angeles. Wala ko by number 20. Basket down by number 20, Melia. Foul is number 23, Nicole Moyen. First personal foul, first team foul of Blue Knights. Shooting bonus free throw, Melia. Nugget, ito pa Moyen. Nugget. Crossover from Moyen, post to post. Basket down by Moyen. Foul by jersey number 20. Second personal foul. The third personal foul. First team foul of Vasquez. Utang ina mo. Juan Martin, everyone. Nagtatalaga si Idol. Ay galing Papawis. Galing si Kamo sa Papawis eh. Manuel.
Nice.
Sorry, rebound one. Mario, pass to Angeles. Angeles, back to Bakaya. Evo, 2 points. Andrew Soriano. Ang ganda naman ng alip na yun, alip yun. Evo din. Rebound by Angeles. Pass to Soriano. Soriano to Angeles. 2 points. Go. Angeles. Babul Joe. Zero Moyen.
Dito nakikot nila.
To Angeles. Take it free. Evo. Time out.
Pakita mo.
Pero pa lang malamag na. Baka masangkot.
Ano ganda ng ikot nila?
Back to the ball game.